Hello, dearly beloved. Welcome to this live Q&A session. I was just called to hold this space today and welcome any questions that you might have with regards to where you are on your journey, about kind of situations that you might be experiencing. So we are going to wait for a couple of you to join in. Hi Alicia, hi Queen. Hi Arohi. I hope you all are feeling well.
बेटा वो बहुत भारी है, ऊपर गिर नहीं जाए। वो नानी बता रही थी कि वो कोई रोज का वो था, तो खरीद के लाई किताबें, पुरानी किताबें।
Hello, I hope you can hear me. Okay, I had mute the mic, I guess. So what I'm saying is that we all might be experiencing lots of emotional upheavals. Um, you might be feeling this urge to cry out of nowhere. You might be feeling very heavy emotionally. That is because we are releasing all of this emotional burden from the past. Okay, how we have conducted ourselves in past relationships, or the kind of decisions that we might have taken. So any judgment that we have been holding against ourselves, we are releasing it at this point of time, and allowing this space of more compassion and patience for self, right? Also physically, I feel like there are many upgrades. This is like a literal physical upgrade that we are receiving at this point of time. So you might be waking up with a lot of physical pain, lot of pressure on your back, pressure around the joints you might be experiencing, or I feel like there is a lot of inflammation in the body as well, right? So waking up with a lot of bloating, facial bloating, or you might be experiencing lots of swelling around your arms and legs. All right, that might be happening, right? So these are all signs of the body releasing all of this energy from the past, right? Hi Shubhangi. So yeah, so all of these physical pressures we are experiencing at this point of time. Okay, it feels very, very difficult. Just to wake up in the morning, you might be feeling like you might be waking up tired. Okay, in spite of having a good night's sleep, you might be waking up tired, and that might be the reason for that. All right. Yeah, I guess so. Thank you. Yeah, I guess so. It was actually a gift, so yes, I wouldn't have pick this color for myself, but I guess it looks really nice. I'm told that I look really nice in dark tones, deep dark, like jewel tones. But unfortunately, I don't end up picking those colors for myself. Yeah. Hi, Truly Shri. How are you all feeling? You all are here, so if you wish to share something today, if you have certain doubts and queries in your mind, I am just inviting questions at this point of time. I always pick these dark tones for myself. You look gorgeous no matter what you wear. I know, like, you have a beautiful color choice. Unfortunately, that is not the case with me. I always end up picking lighter colors and I look washed out. Yeah. Yeah, yep. Not Shubhangi, just making me blush. अरे क्यों भाई क्यों? नहीं I came on live today. I felt like, I don't know, something wanted to come across. I was not feeling to pull out cards today for some reason. I felt like, I just need to come up here. Heavy hair on heart. Probably, I don't know. I don't know. Like I mentioned कि वो हो रहा है, वो emotional release हम सभी के लिए हो रहा है. It's very difficult right now to work through our emotions. Specifically, hi Shweta. So specifically around past relationships and such, like many things coming up, lots of shadows coming up. It's a lot of work. But it's all happening for us so that we can, move ahead in life, so that we can close certain chapters and open new ones, welcome new ones. So there's fresh energy coming across, but it's of course bringing up all of these heavy and dense emotions up. So you might be feeling that urge to cry out of nowhere, heart feeling heavy out of nowhere for no reason, right? You feel like you don't want to talk a lot. You might not have that urge to communicate or talk a lot. So yeah, all of this happening. Okay, Shubhangi is saying, I don't even want to look at that person's face anymore. I don't know, maybe I tried to take it lightly before, but now the fact that they did choose someone over me, it's sinking in and it hurts. It does hurt a lot. Especially when your counterpart is going to show you that they have probably made a decision which is not in your favor or not in the favor of this connection, but ultimately we bring ourselves to this understanding that in the past we have probably not chosen ourselves, we did not prioritize ourselves, we were not able to accept ourselves in that way, and they are simply there to show that, because your twin flame, your divine counterpart will mirror the love that you hold for yourself, right? So the love that I hold for myself, my person will very plainly, they will reflect it back, right? So yeah, it is very difficult to bring yourself to that acceptance. It brings up anger, and it brings up like this urge to just like not to be in that space, not to be in that energy anymore. It brings up pain as well, because ultimately it's a pain that we were unable to choose God, we were unable to choose self as well, right? I feel why should I even talk anything with that person, whatever उनको करना था उन्होंने किया and it did not include me, so why should I choose this connection? I might as well be open to more experiences, like right, and as it should be, I am the last person to hold you back from experiencing your own life, because it's through those experiences we get to know ourselves a little bit more better. एंड यस अभी जो हर्ट जो ऊपर आ रहा है वो आपके इंडिविजुअल एस्पेक्ट का हर्ट है. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर, राइट? बिकॉज सोल नोज एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग फॉर इट्स ओन एवोल्यूशन. इट्स ईगो दैट एंड्स अप फीलिंग हर्ट. It's the inner child which ends up feeling abandoned and rejected. It's like, you did not choose me, you did not accept what I had to offer in front of you, and thus now why should I, So it's a hurt child within that we are learning to tend to. We are trying to reparent ourselves in that area, trying to give ourselves everything that we need, and probably it was an emotional need that we weren't able to meet before. Right? बहुत गुस्सा and hurt. I can't even tell you. Hate myself for sending those texts. Don't. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Everything had to unfold that way. Every single thing had to unfold that way, so that your true form can be revealed in front of you. Even this hate, even this negativity that you're feeling right now within the center of your chest, it's an unsettling feeling. You're not liking it. You don't like it because it's not your natural state, right? And through these experiences from the past, we understand ourselves a little bit deeper. Okay, this is something that I no longer wish to entertain, right? क्योंकि पास्ट में हमने अपने आप को वो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया, वो प्रेम नहीं दिया, वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दी, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होल्ड करी ना खुद के लिए, तभी तो ऐसे इस तरीके से हम जा रहे थे. बट नाउ वी नो बेटर, राइट? एंड दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. It's a good thing. It's ultimately bringing you a little bit more closer to yourself. Alicia is saying something. I have been trying to engage myself in something meaningful, like will do everything but not sit idle, and like joining swimming classes, because I believe खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है. Trying to implement that. It's a good thing, Alicia. It's always good. It's always good to follow that inner call. If you're feeling like you need to conduct certain activities, go for it. But also at the same time, please hold that mindful space for yourself. Be aware that you are not running away from something. Just, certain things will bring up these uncomfortable aspects within us, which will make us run, which will make us want to ignore ourselves, which will want us to neglect that inner pain that is coming up. So unless you are doing the inner healing work, unless you are bringing that focus and attention to yourself, you can go crazy, do whatever you wish to do. It's ultimately a playground for you. Hi Megha. Shivangi saying, I feel so embarrassed. Why did I even open my heart to someone who didn't care a bit? Right. All of that will come up. It's like दिमाग में पत्थर पड़ गए थे क्या, आंखों पे पर्दा पड़ गया था क्या, what was I thinking? And it's like it's us basically cursing self, right? You're basically like cursing yourself, being angry at yourself. But you know what? All of those times when you did reach out to them, when you did speak those words, that was from a very beautiful place. That was from a very loving place. When you were being honest, when you were just allowing the energy to play out, right? अब प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे होती है ना कि आपने जो रिस्पॉन्स एक्सपेक्ट किया था सामने से वो वैसा आया नहीं. Probably the other person was not in their full energy to hold that space for us, or probably they had other things going on, or probably it was too much or too less, I don't know. But that reaction, that response that you expected from them wasn't received. And usually it will happen that masculine energy kya hai, they sort of like ghost, they sort of like go quiet, they go silent, right? And according to me, that also takes a lot of like inner awareness to just go silent, to not respond, you know. At least कोई negative response नहीं दिया उन्होंने, ये अच्छी बात है, isn't it? But वो शायद उस space में नहीं थे reply करने के, and it's fine, it's okay, you know, ठीक है. But the pain which is coming up, the hurt which is coming up, like this hurt was not caused by them. This is a hurt which was already there within us. It is simply brought to surface through this activity, through this situation. This situation has revealed that there is a wound within me wherein I was not tending to myself. I was not the center of my own world. I was keeping someone else as the center of my world. Right? So whenever I am aligned with God, whenever I am aligned with divine, it doesn't matter. God is at the center of my world, right? So regardless, all others are playing secondary parts. Your twin included, by the way. Right? Twin or not, I don't know, you know, but your person is playing a secondary part. That pedestal belongs only to divine. Right? Because God prioritizes us and we are here to prioritize God's self. Right? So yes, the hurt is there, but we give thanks to this hurt also because it's reminding us somewhere. It's like, Shubhangi, आपने किसी और को अपना center of world बना दिया था momentarily, right? And now we are coming back, like coming back to ourselves, coming back to putting ourselves as the center of the world. अलीशा कह रही हैं, या जब भी ये सब करने की कोशिश करती हूँ बट अंदर से सडन डिस्कम्फर्ट, एंक्शियस फीलिंग आती है, स्टॉप्स मी, बट फिर आई एम ट्राइंग टू ग्रो वाइजर, राइट? सो बाय पेइंग अटेंशन टू दीज अनहील्ड और वुंडेड एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ सेल्फ, वी एक्चुअली स्टार्ट डूइंग द इनर वर्क. तब तक तो आप केवल भाग रहे हो, तब तक तो आप अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो. पर पता है क्या होता है इस जर्नी पे? I had a talk with this with Shweta on the same topic a couple of days ago. That you know, आपके जो old coping mechanisms होते हैं वो काम करना बंद कर देते हैं इस जर्नी पे. You know, अगर आपका coping mechanism था, कोई आपके अंदर कोई ऐसा hurt या pain ऊपर आ रहा है जिससे आप डील नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, जिस पे आप अभी फोकस नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप अपने फ्रेंड को कॉल कर देंगे, यू विल हैव अ वीडियो चैट विद देम, कम ना, लेट्स मीट. You'll try to distract yourself that way. You'll try to order your favorite food, you know, to make yourself feel better. Probably you will open up the Netflix app and just start watching some movie just to distract your own mind, right? Or maybe there is binge eating. So we all have our coping mechanisms, just like the masculine does. The feminines too have certain mechanisms that she goes to just to avoid that inner work. But इस जर्नी पे पता है क्या होता है? वो coping mechanism ही fail होने लगता है. It fails to distract you because that issue is right there in front of you. Why? Because your soul chose that. You are choosing that particular situation. That person is there in front of you to bring up that discomfort so that we can pay attention to that part, right? What is it? Why is it making me feel this way? Because I don't like it. I don't like when I'm feeling this way, isn't it? तो ये सारे coping mechanisms हमारे लिए काम करना बंद कर देते हैं, right? So that's what happens on this journey, and you won't be able to run away from it for far too long, right? Because you are here ultimately as soul, you are here to do that work, to carry out that inner healing process. These days I don't even question self. I have made fixated statements. I'm finding it so difficult to rewire, right? So it's like it's a process. The rewiring of the mindset, it takes a lot of energy, specifically if you are in a very low state. It takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of effort, but then again consistency is key over here. There is nothing which is impossible, right? So like your highest self, you are already healed. There is nothing more to be done, right? So God state में जब आप God awareness में रहते हैं तो आपको ये पता है कि आप यहाँ पे केवल एक experience लेने आए हैं, You are here playing this character. I'm here playing this character of Kanupriya, but I'm nothing like this. I don't look like this. I'm not this, right? I'm not just this. I'm much more, right? So जब आप अपने हाई स्टेट्स ऑफ अवेयरनेस में रहते हैं, आपको पता है कि ये जो भी मेरे सामने है, I can easily move through it. I can go through it. I can cut through it like a hot knife through butter. If you have ever had that, how a hot knife cuts through butter with so much of ease, you know, because that hot knife is the knife of awareness, conscious awareness that you hold. You are not this body, you are not this mind, you are not this feeling, this bundle of emotion, you are not this bundle of desire that you have. ठीक है, तो there is something which is beyond me, which is watching all of this, right? So when you come to that, when you bring yourself to that, you automatically, it becomes very difficult for you to catch, it becomes very easy for you to catch yourself, right? Before that, it is of course difficult. Everything is difficult. Human experience is very difficult, है ना? But the inquiry here today must be कि if it was so difficult, अगर ये इतना ही मुश्किल था, इतना ही कठिन था, तो मैंने इसका चयन ही क्यों किया? Why did I choose this human experience? There must be a reason for me to choose this human experience and to come into this human body, right? Shubhangi कह रही है, so much for telling me I help special place in their life and this is how one behaves with someone they call special. Sorry for venting. That's all right. It's okay. It's okay. So Shubhangi is now being called to, like, you know, embody Geet energy. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, मैं अपनी फेवरेट पर्सन, राइट? बिकॉज हम किसी और को स्पेशल समझ रहे थे, तो आपके मैस्कुलिन बहुत ही प्लेनली आपको दिखाएंगे कि यू आर प्रायोरिटाइजिंग देम, यू आर सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक कमिंग इनटू दैट फैंटेसी अबाउट देम, राइट? और वो फैंटेसी का बबल ब्रेक करने के लिए वो एक बहुत ही रूड शॉक बोलते हैं, रूड शॉक देते हैं, बट इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. It is required to remember that, oh God, you know, it's like you have forgotten your own magic. Remember who you are. I'm not the one who's special over here. Heart heavy छे. Rubina, definitely that is happening, dear. बहुत मैंने इस लाइफ के बिगिनिंग में मैंने बोला कि बहुत एक हैवी इमोशनल क्लेंजिंग चल रहा है अभी इस टाइम. आउट ऑफ नोवेयर इमोशंस आ रहे होंगे, आउट ऑफ नोवेयर मतलब यहाँ पे बहुत भारी भारी लग रहा है, शरीर भी भारी लग रहा होगा, लेजीनेस लग रही होगी आपको, सुबह उठते बॉडी पेन होना, बॉडी में स्वेलिंग होना, ये सारी चीज़ें अभी हो रही होंगी उस टाइम. हाउ आर द 5-5 पोर्टल एनर्जीज? आई एम जस्ट लाफिंग बिकॉज समझ जाओ. अब मैं इंटेंस बोलूँगी, मैं बहुत ही एंड लेवल का बोलूँगी, तो ये बहुत बोरिंग हो गया है अब. I was laughing with the other person. I was talking to them. They are also on the twin flame journey, and I was laughing to them about the fact that अब माइल्ड रहे ही नहीं, रोज ही इंटेंस हो रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ रोज ही इंटेंस हो रहा है. कुछ नया लाओ अब, राइट? तो ये सवाल आप खुद से पूछिए कि लास्ट माइल्डनेस आपने कब फील करी थी, कब आपने माइल्ड फील किया था? एंड द आंसर प्रोबेबली वुड बी बिफोर यू आर एक्टिवेटेड ऑन दिस जर्नी. इस जर्नी पे एक्टिवेट होने के बाद में सब कुछ इंटेंस होता है, सब कुछ लाइक टोर्नेडो लाइक होता है, हर सब कुछ लेवल 10 नहीं लेवल 100 पे हो रहा है. राइट? तो पोर्टल आ रहे हैं, पोर्टल जा रहे हैं, इंटेंसिटी कम नहीं हो रही है, बढ़ी रही है. ठीक है, आई सेंस बिग चेंजेस. डेफिनेटली आई टू फील दैट एज वेल, एंड दीज आर बिग शिफ्ट्स. दीज आर लाइक almost like the energy of you ending an era, like in your own personal journey you are ending an era and you are beginning a new, stepping into a new personal era. Endings and renewal, yes. Upgrades, yes. Upgrade तो definitely हो रहे हैं. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this live, I said it's a physical upgrade that we are going through right now. It feels very, very difficult, okay? You might be experiencing joint pains, you might be experiencing back pains. It's like